And hello fellows, today I have the Makita Impact driver and it's lack of power, not always working, so the customer told that he can change the brushes, but still the problem exists, so I will open it to check it. Okay, first of all, yeah, the brushes are really changed. Okay, I want to inspect the armature and the wires. Okay, we can see that the brushes moves easily in the brush holder. That's a good sign. Okay, our armature looks like brand new. So I want to inspect the switch. Okay, so for the switch, I think I will blow up the dust with the compressed air. Okay, I have just blown up the dust from the switch with the compressed air, and what I want to check now is the voltage on the brushes. So I will remove the carbon brushes and I will check the voltage with the multimeter. Okay. Now I want to put the battery in. I have the multimeter. Just checking the voltage. On the terminal it's 18.2. Okay, the voltage here 18.2. And now I want to test the voltage here on the switch. Eighteen point two. Okay. It seems like a okay, I have the bad contact here, so I will use the other way. I will just get the clips on my multimeter. And I think I will get on the carbon brush terminal here. Okay, now I can try. Yep, we have, you can see we have the drop, we have 11 volts, and I will try to press the button again. It's yep. Now I will just move the wires. Okay, it's just gone. And just bend the wires. Okay, it's gone. You see now it's good. It's bad again. Okay, now I can see that it's 18.2 volts, and I will try to move the brush holder wires and check if the voltage drops or not. Seems that it drops when I move the wires. Yep, now it's dropped. I have not moved the switch. Yep, you can see I have spinned the wires. It's 18.2, and when I'm bending them, it's just getting down. So I suspect it's a brush holder problem. So we need to find the new brush holder for this one, and I have received the new carbon brush holder unit with the brushes, of course, and I will try to replace it. the black wire. And the red one, you can see it's tighten and then bend it down. Okay. Now we can try to assemble it and check if that helped it or not. We need a new switch, or that was the carboner holder. I think it's a switch problem. So it's a switch problem, not a brush holder. Okay, got the replacement switch for this part drill. You can see the part number. And of course it's time to replace it. I will take the wire with a spring. It's not going to get out easy. Okay, we have the wire here and the wire here, so I will join them with a solder. This one will be just cut. As now we have extended the wire for the heat spring, now we can start replacing the switch. I will take the screw out here, and we can see that the LED light goes here. our biggest concern is to put the LED light in a proper way. And we have the groove for the wires. I will take the screwdriver here. And we can see that we need to put the wires here in the groove. Okay, I will try to make that and not get my head into the camera. Of course, when I'm doing this, just not forget to subscribe to my channel. Pressing the wires. I don't know why they did that so in this way like that. And the white wire goes here. Okay, now our wires seems to be in place and we can mount the switch here. Of course, we have the brush holder that needs to be connected. Okay, it will not fall out. Okay, now the black one was on the top of the switch. Just like that, if I could remember. And the red one. Just inserting the screw. Not got it in the place right. Okay, sometimes it's tricky to get the screws here. Okay, got it. Now pressing the blue wire in the groove. And of course now I need to put a switch and the brush holder in a place. And they made it so tight for this model. I don't know, maybe it's about model size or something. Okay, got it. Here we try to put everything in a housing. Okay, it seems to be really good here. Inserting the wire with a spring, bending it, and okay, I hope it will be good here. Now we have our terminal. We can see the positive. The positive is a red one. Of course, negative is the black one. The yellow one goes to the smaller terminal. Check if I will put it good or not. And yep, I think I need to turn it around, the terminals here. I believe that the wires will go better now. Okay, now just need to make sure that it will not damage any wire by closing the drill. Okay, I have assembled it, and now of course it works good.